Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most, Apa. Thank you very much, Bafethu. Siyazibongela once again, Bafethu, to our subscribers. Thank you very much. And please, Bafethu, ngicela nje nisibeke ku-2000 okwamanje. And once sifika ku-2000, I have something to thank you about. You know, kunento engizokunika yona njengama-subscribers wethu. I'm promising that rizofana ka 2 shows a week. Because indaba ziphele. Yes. Phela isikhathi nedatha. Uyazi, indaba ziphele. So sizonika i-show on Wednesday in the ring. On Wednesday, I won't be in locker room. In locker room, I will always be in Sunday. You know, niyazi ukuthi Sunday locker room. Yes. And then sizobonga masifika ku-2000 because now the nation will be bigger now. Yes. Understand that the nation will be bigger, and we, as an appreciation for that, we think we're gonna work harder than here to satisfy our big nation, guys, our growing nation. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Bafethu. Thank you very much. Siyazibongela kakhulu. What's about umntwana kunezinto ezirong esizibala ngabantwana ukuthi abantwana bayenza kanje, abantwana this, abantwana that. Mina ngithi everything Bafethu is true. Esikhala ngaso from kubantwana, you know. But now into eyenzakalayo ukuthi asiphansi la iqala khona grand. You know, angeke usolve inkinga weqala phezulu. Utshani mawushaya phezulu buyavela futhi. Ubushaye buvele. Uyabona, but if you can go deeper, go down. Uyabona, ungathola ama solutions right there. Uyabona, for an example, uyabona mawumntwana kumele ube umntwana owuye ngama action, ngokucabanga nangokukhuluma. Yabo, so that izo affect izinto zenzayo ungajump stage, because abaningi sijumpa istage, sijumpiswa istage because abazali bazoloko bathi hey sokhulile, but they don't explain further ukuthi mangithi mntanami sokhulile, I'm not saying now you are ubaba, now you are a boss, now you are something bigger, now you can take instructions even from me, even from older people on the street. Uyangithola, but leyo imistake yabazali. Imistake yethu le. Ngike ngahlangana nomunye usisi uhlala e1. She's a single mother with a one child. Yabo, une boy nyana laphayana. And then the boy was ngena laphayana, makaqeda ukungena ungintroduce ku boy, and then uthi ku boy, hey, and le boy le ilapha ko 12. Uthi ku le boy, hey, bra apa uyindoda yala endlini, uyubaba wakwami lo. Angisanabani. You see those words? Azange ngithanda usisi awakhuluma, but siyasakhuluma esayidini umntana angekho ngamdonsa ngathi hey mama bheka. Lezi zinto lezi kumele uzi-explain more kumntwana, because if azothatha leyo ukuthi indoda yala endlini, if azothatha leyo ukuthi yena ubaba wala endlini, lento leyo ingamenza arrogant because you don't even know ukuthi abangani bakhe banjani estradini. Leso sikhathi uboy uqeda ukungena nje. Yabo, uyambona ukuthi uboy since ahamba ekseni ubuyise ukudla ndo. And asebaloku bayaqabana nomama ukuthi sinsoloko uhamba ekseni. Ini uyabona uqeda hours. Angazi ukuthi lo mntwana we11 years ukuphi, right on weekend angithi isikolo asikho. Yabona, so yena ngoba uhlala emkhukhwini ufila ukuthi no uzothola ispace sakhe ayi1 ngomama aclean or ayenzeni, kanti zonke lezo zinto bekumele azenze akazenze nalo mntwana. That's what I'm saying. akazenze nalomntwana yabo because baningi abantu abadala namhlanje abakwazi ukuklina abakwazi ukupheka abakwazi ukuziwashela abakwazi ukudlula imibhede kodwa umuntu omdala omunye azacabane nendoda sekashadiwe le omunye azacabane umfazi amangala ukuthi lo baba akakwazi nokuziwashela iandapene akakwazi nokuziwashela amasokisi no uyabona lezo zinto ziqala umncane uzenza umncane from endlini ufundiswa abazali bakho from endlini ngokuzenza ngezenzo nawe as a child you have to be part of it mazenzo lezinto cleaner lapho umama cleaner lapha lokwazi ochecka ukuthi no clean kahle no mntana uyenza kanje uyabona that's how we learn ufunda uzufe kahle ukupheka ufunda uzufe ukucleaner ufunda uzufe ukugeza sababona la etaxini thola ukuthi umama omdala uyambona ubuye edrobheni ufaka amazazi ufaka amawigi baba mawuthi uyambheka ufake nechain mawuthi ubheka la le chain ihlele khona uhlele emva kwakhe you'll be ashamed yabo I'm not saying bafethu sibheka abantu la entanyeni emateksini no yabo because izinto ezibhaya bafethu mama I foundation umntwana makasesemncane it's called take it as a foundation. Yes. It has to be strong, that foundation. Le foundation kumele ime lapha le foundation. Le foundation kumele izomela imimoya le foundation oyenzayo. Unless lendlu le i temporary house, but makuyindlu ye next and next generations, it has to be strong. I foundation nayo into ebalekile bafethu. Uyabona because mayingekho strong imimoya izoyenzeka imvula zizona amarufa week lendlu yakho le ihladula le marako aJericho kuzohlala nje kwamadonga bafana uyabona so take it as a person umuntu ongana foundation right. I'm not saying I had a good foundation bafethu no ningangitholi wrong ngifuna nje ukuthi silungise uyabona ngoba nami ngibonile izinto ezirong ngizibonile ezi right bafethu sikhula ene lento leyo bafethu yazi ifika phi manje ifika ukuthi la umntwana masekana bo ma18 20 abantu bamtshela naye afila naye abone intanga zakhe ukuthi now sekumele azimele even the nature yamtshela ukuthi kumele azimele but only to find the foundation bafethu yo and sekuyistina manje thatha leso kuyistina manje kuye emawfestereni emawindweni phezulu uyangithola leyo ndlu leyo bafethu izoba namakreka amaningi bafethu izowa yabona until angasakwazi ukuthatha ama decision for themselves right udina abantu uyabona khumbula ukuthi singabantu asikuzondi thina mawumuntu ntwana yami ngicela nibatshele bafethu ukuthi asibazondi kodwa into sizoyizonda izenzo your actions boy sizowazonda ama actions wakho mfethu uzodina uyabona ene leso sikhathi umhlaba uzokudinekela because uzoqala ngokuzondwa abantu obathandayo but bona obathandayo abakuthandayo nawe ngiyangibona ukuthi bakuzonda secret baqala bakuzonda secret intwana yami la ingozi khona uyabona ukuthi lo unjani baqala bakhuluma ngawe emasayiteni intwana yami uyabona leyo ke mina ngithi wrong kubazali kubantu abadala kuma families uyabona yizi izinto kumele sikhulume ngazo lezo kuma family gathering uyabona sifonelane ngazo ngabantwana ngama families wethu ukuthi is your family my sister still stable, your family brother is still good, still have food my sister, your children are still online. Kumele sicheke ngalezo zinto hayi ukuthi lezo ukuthi manje sizohlangana emasayitini ukuthi yo ngwana tshego yo hasatawa pitso yo pitso wa tagwa hle o tsamale matekatsi o tsamaleng o tsamale ya and nna ntho emfaure wena motho tshonjalo uyazibona kupitso wena uyazibona kulomntwana just nje manje uyajabula uyangithola uyajabula ukuthi lo mntwana lo wenza izinto engizenzile kusho ukuthi uzoflop akusho ukuthi umama wakhe ngeke athole lo mntwana successful. That's how we are, that's jealous bafethu yabona until manje mangabe umfana mangabe uhamba indlela zabo apha sekazofana naletsotsi le.
Yes wosh nangempela
igama lakhe uNhlanhla yabo yeah you see this guy bafethu example right although ngimzwela angithi yena wenza right ngicela ningi understand la angithi uNhlanhla wenza right wrong yena as a person.
Yes.
Yabona? Because it will be like I'm saying he's unnecessary in the
Yes.
world.
He's unworthy.
Yeah, he's unworthy. No, I don't say that.
Yes.
Yabona? Yeah, it's just his mentality. Uyangithola? And influenced by lezi zinto engihlezi ngikhuluma ngazo bafethu.
So would you say it ties back to foundation again?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm still in that line, my brother.
Yes.
Because now it's a house now.
Yeah.
It has to stand for the rains, for different weathers.
Yeah.
It has to stand. Kumele azimele umntana wakho masekamdala sekuwumuntu omdala manje.
Yeah.
It's not a child anymore. And then I essentially ukuthi uyafila. And the nature calling.
Yes.
Ukuthi wena you have to take care of yourself. Now you have to have responsibilities.
Yes.
Umfazi, abantwana, land, education, zonke lezo zinto. And manje ufambulile according to the foundation.
Yes.
Amaweda lawa akakhona kwamela. Yabona? So this guy ujoin inombolo bafethu 26 uyazisho noma khuluma ngicela nemlalele nje kancane.
Wosh nangempela bafethu ngisaphezulu kwakho Israel Matseke Zulu aka GP Ma Orange. Shuthi njengoba ngise Sun City last year ngivalele futhi enye 8 months. Ngibuza amajita la one day yabona yaze ejele nokuzula isithukuthezi jike the whole day endaweni e1. Ngibuza amajita la ngilandele ezesha ama life sentence. Sangitshela zithi no kade sila saqala la ngama 90s yabo sihambile amanye amajele kodwa sesibuyile. Bese ngiyacela ke maphakathi nale insizwe ukuthi bafethu ngigcwele ngomuntu kanje uIsrael Matseke Zulu. Bathi hayi lo muntu loyo siyamazi. Yena ukhuluma iqiniso bethi benongena aphume la eSun City. Ngithi hawu. Manje la ejele befika abe ubani? Befika bimpatha, befika buthalala noma befike abindoda ngoba mina ngithe nginaye ngithi ngiyambamba lapha kwe-podcast yakhe ngabamba ezinye nje inombolo yabo ngambamba ngamdedela kodwa ngamjumpisela bathi hayi ubu-right ubambe ngazo lo muntu kahle kahle uyi-28 loya yabo bangitshela so kunini usiqambela amanga Israel Matseke Zulu GP Ma Orange uthi wena ukazi ushaya umthetho ejele.
Yeah. So uyayizwa lento lo muntu ayishoyo. Uyazizwa lezi zinto asikhulumayo. Asiqale kuqala ngenombolo bafethu. Lo muntu ngeke ngasho uke wakhuluma ngoskimi, akhuluma umbhedo wakhe nje ngoskimi ukuthi nyenyenye. Ngasho mina ngayenza ivideo. Ngathi hey, lo mfana lo usetshele, uboshiwe futhi. I can zoom people
At the time.
Okay. Wabona? I can zoom him. He's in prison again, which means this is a jail bed.
Yes.
Yabona? Kusho ukuthi the way enza ngakhona ngaze ngakhuluma ukuthi on that video he was directed. Yabona? To say wena isho kanje. Lento leyo engikhulumayo manje uyamuzwa uqeda ukuthini ne? Kusho ukuthi manje masakasho kanje. Sekakhuluma ngokuthi yena uhlangane nabantu abashama life sentence and then bamtshela ngekhanda lesika Orange ukuthi uma Orange 28 in aye boy.
Yes.
Aye boy. At least kube bothi mhlambe uhlangane nama boyfriend wakho.
Yes.
I was gonna say okay. Wenza sense. Uyangithola. But manje wena awuhlangananga nama boy awuhlangananga nabantu ababuya kuma life sentence. Abazokutshela ngoma Orange nyinyi angathi bakutshele lento ofuna ukuyizwa wena angathi ngasho ngathi wena niya control nina angathi ngasho ngathi inhlanhla lekhe 26 elingana nawe bode usasemncane mfana and asibheke uyichama boy wena uyichama boy ntwana yami just nje nama drugs bode yabona ngiyacela mfethu I love you ngiyacela mfethu I love you as a brother yabona susa idalamiso mfana semzini susa utshwala mfana semzini engqondweni yakho empilweni yakho then you will be successful butwa lento leyo ukuthi wena uzokhuluma ngokuthi udonse amafile udonse ini hayi ayikho leyo nto you just making up stories uyadelela ufuna ukwenza imali wena mawuboshiwe usufonela uma Orange wena usufonela uHrutman ukuthi wena lekunika ama 10 rand wena bheka butwa ulahlekile akusithama lakho. And there is no deal that you made. Naye. Ayikho. I'm talking from the locker room, but ayikho deal. just nje wena you want to be relevant enebheka nilimaza abanye abantu bafethu mani lokho nifuna ukuya phezulu or nifuna whatever nifunayo nilimaza abanye abantu sukani ku social media. This is not your territory but uyahlothoza uyale nale uyabona uyale nale anenzange idili nina kuma podcast wena futhi in particular ubhalela ama podcast wena angithi ngasho abakubizi labantu uyababhalela uyabona so mawuqeda wena ufila ngathi bayakukolota so uthi wenza malini wenza malini ungenaphi kuma podcast wakhe. That shows ukuthi uqhoma itop angeke ngiye kude ngaleyo ndaba yabo. Just nje I'm hoping and I'm asking you brother to brother.
Yes, sir.
Brother to brother yekela idakamizwa bhuti phuma kunombolo bhuti izogulisa usophaphama sona 50 njengami. You are still young my brother. Concentrate on doing what you are doing best. Yenza music uyeke ukuzibamba ngaphambili mawurepa uloku wenza so uyeke lento njalo wena mawurepa sibamba ngaphambili ngikubonile lapha ngekipe ezimhlophe hayi bhuti man uyabona shifta nje mngani wami ingqondo abantu bazokuamukela abantu bazokuthanda nathi sokuthanda nawe uqale ngokusithanda bhuti uyabona yekela labo oshoshi bakho mfowethu kuma social media rana incwadi angathi unencwadi bhuti rana incwadi and then concentrate ku music yabona and then uyeke idakamizwa mfana semzini calculator every move ukuthi ukhulumani mfana yabona lento leyo iyakubeka engqondweni zabantu ukuthi wena uqabanga kanjani uphila kanjani yabona khona manje uhlezi uthi umalume bekaphilisa kabuhlungu ini and manje mina ngibona ngathi no you were just talking to it umalume bengeke ayimele lento just imagine ke wena bafethu abomalume bonke just imagine umshana wakho sekaqabanga kanje sekaphila kanje would you say right as umalume? I don't think so bafethu yabo I don't think so mngani wami ngawe ngizoyivala lapho you are also important yabona you can do much better yabona just nje mangashift ingqondo yakho mfana semsini wayebhekisa ku positivity umamele uapa hayi ngenkani mngani wami hayi ngenkani nabo bonke abafana nawe abangani bakho bafethu asitheneni lento singazimoshela abantwana thina sineyintwana sinabantwana and impilo si understanda ngenxa yokuthi manje sinobuNkulunkulu faka God in yompilo faka God in yompilo
You'll never go wrong.
you never go wrong you know. Thank you very much bafethu, thank you very much. And I have this story my brother obo.
Okay.
Yeah,
Story time.
I have this story but it's a lesson.
Yes.
I need people to learn as I said from my stories bafethu. I need people to learn.
And I want to approach out the 20 minutes.
So bafethu mina mangikhula and lento leyo ngiyazi ukuthi iyenzakala kuntwana eziphaya namanje abantwana abancane boys and girls ngihloshe umchamo
Okay.
yo bafethu
Like this.
mina bafethu ngichamela ingubo
Oh,
yeah bengichamela ingubo almost every day you know bengichamela ingubo ngintwana and then lenkinga ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ngifuna abazali ba-understand la abantwana babo namhlanje yabona bengichama mina it started ngingazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but iqale mangikhumbula mina ipicture yami iqale ngilapha ku 4 years
yes.
5 years yabo la nginama picture khona ukuthi ngicabanga umntwana seka understand bengizwa yonke into ekhulunywayo ngami bengi understanda yonke into ebayifunayo and then nami bafethu at that age bengafuna ukuchama really yabo yeah bekwenzeka nje uthola ukuthi mangithi ngiyavuka nje ngemanzi yabo and kwesinye isikhathi ngizwe ebusuku ukuthi esani sengimoshile and then kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi manje ngikhumbula this day my brother yabo ngiyavuka enhle ngiyaphupha ngiphupha ngifana amajita and then sizongena ngasesigele sizohamba ngefence yesigele isikolo savaya ayimlo sengisalele emuva ngathi ema chance aningimelene kancane la ngisafuna ukushaya 69 ayi imilongo imefensini ngincika ngefence khona kumnandi the feeling at that time you're relieved phela it's a call of nature ngithini manje it's a call of nature bafethu kumnandi uyabona mangiqeda ngithi ngiye emajiteni ngiyaphapha
Shit.
mangiphapha mangithola ukuthi ngiphakathi kwamanzi bafethu on the side iside le1 lemanzi yabona and then ama feeling wakhona awafani makushisa mangabe uqhame ukuthi it's summer and then nokuchama winter yabona akufani yabona and then this day ngaphumela ngaphandle ngespeed ngithi nyabaleke ekseni yabo ngithi nyozo omisa ngaphuma ngagoqa ingubo ngazibhakisha la mangiqeda ngaphuma ayi ngama next door amajita kunamajita wethu nje sisasebancane intanga zethu and then sizobloma la elangeni bathanda ukubloma la kulanzana ekseni ukholoni angithi khona amajita abo my 3-4 so mina ngifika ngibajoina la ngimelangeni but ngeidea yokuthi ngibatla oma I want to be dry ngingajampisi because ngilele ngempahla futhi yabo ngilele ngempahla mangimile la lenye utsotsi yangibheka ngizwa sekathi hey apa utswamusi Abraham ngaphuma intutu mangithi ngiyebheka nami ethi and the smell like you'd feel ukuthi ngimoto nje yabo ngetswamusi my brother asana kaswaba from that day hona le machita ene re harilwana le bona masicabana na la machita batlo re wena se rota so I was fighting because on the street again now and the target ka diding ngoba seketse bahala plus rata ulanzana la baba rata ulanzana ene ke tlatsa rajeje asana bangkhatha ka diding o bona ke ha more le o molomo wa tseba ga o ke na le ha more ya ha qala re bua holo fela ke re ke a re fela ha wena se rota esa ene le kontluno se qala ke alla di plastic ba ibitsa di phate ka Sotho ba bona ba ibitsa di phate ka Sotho ke qala ke alla plastic ke robala and that you ke le jwetsa ba fethu ne ke sa batle dai ya rota wa bona every time nje ke tla lora skela every time ke tla bana ha ke lora skela fela my brother and then I have to learn on my own or okay ke into ngetsang obane no one wants to listen to me everyone praya ka ke segota everyone ke segota yeah no one wants to listen to me or enhle ke ing problem ya how but I had to find it myself and I did just that at that young age ntse ke tla ke hola wa bona ke a bona ke re ai a ke robala ka toro anka lora I must wake up kana go tseding ha ke qala ke ba late ke phaphama se ke tsetsa la pele a ke khutla ke ha ke re vele ke it's
not so bad.
Yeah, it's not so bad but under pene ona image wa bona asana ke bone ke resvar man skela toro a ke lo raskela fela my brother and not in the chart ya school come on a re vaya fela ke se skela anga bona skela slane se ke phapha ka mabomo ke lwana le that thing ka clean ngondo ya ka until it took me maybe 2 or 1 year yeah ke trainer le diding ke rutile braya over and I didn't excite batle mfethu so akiqeda seketla ke phunyuelwa na wabona kuna lento yokuphunyukelwa yabo nini na uphuphanga yabona yeah it just happened nje yabona ke bona hona man tidinye ke tsiwa jwa because my brother nna ke fahlakiwe ke le mnyana aqala 9 years wabona I remember ke le ko Jabulani ke le ka rota bsi but ka yona ra ireng ya hore itsa ke lo raskela ne fela itsa ke re machita a leng ke melenda ka hopola ka phaphama mara ne se ke shapile ka mopele wabona ke le president ke le police station Jabulani one time luckily no one saw it wabona and then so ka train ngondo until I'm used to it wabona so ke hola so even in prison my brother while I was doing time I saw someone ona la utshaka ngone re le ma big 5 re nithu wabo kshena na etsa bo ma 24 o ila rota la man ko re na rota la man but ne ke tseba and then yena na sa tsebe re ka tseba and a sa tsebe re ka mo shielda
Yes.
ona le montse ke mo shielda until ke hopola one day we were sitting by the door my brother re dutse ko monyako so batho ntse ba kena so nna ke eme ka maoto pela ha yena o dutse mo fatshe wa bona entle a utshaka dutse mo fatshe so this guy e ke re ngwa rota wa feta di mano dutseng wa bona o fetela eng aba re man yini ngathi ukawo nokumchama yabo ngathi enhle kukawo man uyasika man uneyilonda emathangeni yabo manje yize ezinokaya kusumqhama esana manje akakathola usizo esanathi saloko sizama sicontacte nabantu bangaphandle wabona wasihlaya so hard nekubuya maka ke mo shielda wabona yeah he didn't have to say thank you or I didn't have to tell him I saw that's the problem and get oda next santsane ke qeta le nna ke na le bo ma 4 years 3 years 4 years 5 years ke oda wabona so I understood ha msala maybe ha tsebe problem again wabona a tsebe problem again so ha isa solve e udimo until be bentate anyale ke tseba uthi engwe qaqwa nna wabona ene na le mosadi le bana my brother a rota le mosadi wa a tseba ile secret a control e qena mosadi a sa e tshwere control wabona so what I want to say is that Buffett na coming to now I see hore ke eng ene nketsa so wabona stress yeah bana ba tshwarwa ke stress Buffett I'm not a genius ka bana ke tsebe but I'm trying to figure out wabona but I found out ka nna hore bana ba tshwarwa ke stress because nna ke na lot ene ya ke le mnyane or ba o re ke rutile maranthusi wabona le mama ka nshape
and they get invalidated
yeah and bona ba batla e qeta ka thupa my brother no Buffett this thing ke kopa le shebele site le la mental health ya bana or mental state or ngwana o right na nna ne ke batla mama ka mfethu now I wanted to just live with my mother and then training warisha because ne se ke bona hore ba mshapa ke bone at the young age wabona well ha ke tsebe ha iqala ke mara ke bona hore fele ke bona ha se ke lwana le yona e hore fele ke lwana le yona e hore nema wabona sharp Buffett I'm not clear but I explain mfethu batho ba tsebang ka bana the psychologist but now I'm just saying Buffett bana ha ba tshwarwe hantle from the early age from the grassroots level ha ba hola foundation that is what I call foundation one chola my brother yeah because mara sur ka fela re tlo rota no I'm not saying that ke re fela nna ke le group e ya batho ba rotang ba bangata ba tswale mamina mos ba tswale mamina and ba o bona ba wa so ban la sa hodile ra bona re wena o kila tswa mamina bo ma 15 years wena o hotse ka mamina ntho tseo ke nana go ba tswadi ke high time now as black people tlamele re dinkele hlohong ba fethu hore re phela mnate kapa bohloko kapa ra sotleya kapa ra spana ha se lebaka leo ha re se ra compromise ambana because they are the future
exactly
they are gonna blame us o bohloko ngwana o blame o le mabitleng ba fethu ona le batswadi ba blame wang ke bana ba bona ba le mabitleng I'm telling you never high easy into he qoqa how easy we bua wabona but ra ba blame abatswadi ba rona somewhere wabona but now I will just advise batho ba nang le situation seo gore ba fethu remember now they are not in our world wabona motho o hlokafetseng ha sa le lefatsheng la hao ha sa le physically alive so it is there when ha o tsebe mo aleng teng so ha re sa tsebe mo aleng teng but we know hore we are o ya o khutlela ho modimo so because of ntho tse re di etsa mo difatsheng fethu se akanga senzane se aloyana se athwala senzane mina ngithi abashonile abakini mfethu asibathandazeleni let us not demand anything much from them let us just pray for them that God accept them back and clean them if they are dirty let us accept so that they have power to ask God for us for our sake to communicate that's how I feel that's how I see it as a number one educational speak don't ask me where I learned those it's not a argument I'm telling you it's not an argument I'm just telling or Buffett life is like that life is like that Understand? I love our children. I love people. I love myself. I love God. I am God. You are God. Together we can do wonders. We are God. One tell my brother. Yeah. Thank you very much. So my brother, before I can close it, right? Yeah. There is this comment. Yeah. My brother here, ungotse Sotho. Well, Sesotho bafethu, I want to tell South Africa now. Nna le thema la ka ke Mopedi. O lady la ka ke Mosotho, ke hodisitswe ke Basotho. So I know Sotho better than any other language. But I don't know Sotho to the fullest. 100%, I can't say that. But le nna along my ways, qua fix back, di ngutile Sotho. Ke hodisitswe ke Basotho. Understand my brother? Yeah. So that guy is saying, I deleted his comment.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then because he was telling me, o tla ja masepa dithaka tsa hao, o should to tla amasembe intanga zakho.
Yes.
You know? Yeah. So yena amasembe intanga zakho, and then iqala ngokuthi umuntu abheme the shit that we in prison amazolo babafakela something. Maybe he was explaining that, or ukuthatha izolo yabantu bazolala nawe ejele. Maybe he was explaining that. But okay, thank you my brother for commenting, thank you for watching our videos. But here's a lesson now. O tla ja masepa thaka tsa hao. It doesn't mean, it doesn't match with what we are saying, my brother. O tla lahleya, maybe lahlehile o tla lahla bana ba rona. But with peace though, let me correct that. When they say o tla ja masepa thaka tsa hao ngwaneso, ho bolela hore if wena o sa iphandele at a young age, ka nako o tlameileng o iphandele ka yona, o tla sebeletsa your peers thaka tsa hao. O tla ithola o le garden boy, mara motho o ne le keletsa kaofela, or motho o le di peers. One tol o tla ja masepa thaka tsa hao. And then furthermore, o tla sebetsa mo sa rateng, mara o ntso resh ha o tshwana. That way hape ko ja masepa thaka tsa hao. Because batho ba bangata da re ja masepa thaka tsa rona in that sense ya hore o sebetsa da mara wa lla mara o batle mara wa ntse sebetsa da o busy o senya dilemo da one tol in that sense hape le yona eo my brother ne lo chola le batho ba le motho sa morateng kapa o utlwisang bohloko ntse o dutse qobangela bantwana ba qobangela le mo ko that sense ko ja masepa thaka tsa hao wa bona my brother. Yeah, ko ja masepa thaka ho ba le chomi e etsa ntho tse mpe wena ntse ra se nna ke chomi o ja masepa thaka tsa because you are controlled, you are glued there. Why you such that? So in general ho ja masepa thaka tsa hao my brother ko etsa ntho sa rateng kana ko sa o rata kana ko ya hao o etsa ntho sa rateng ko phela bophelo bo eseng ba hao wa bona, to fake your life, to live to live under control ya somebody.
To be a pawn.
Yeah. Go ja masepa thaka tsa hao.
Okay. That makes sense.
It is my brother.
Definitely.
Thank you very much. Bafethu, ukudla masembe intanga zakho, ukwenza into ongayithandi. Ngesikhathi ewena esithandwa uwe.
Yes.
Ukudla masembe intanga zakho. Ukusebenza la ungathandi. Ukudla masembe intanga zakho. Ukujola la ungathandi. Uzwe ubhlungu lokwakhala. Bayangishaya, umama uyangishaya, umama uyanginca. Sasa, thank you bafethu, siyabonga bafethu. Sengithi ngasho ngathi siyabonga kuma subscribers. Abantu abaloku ba comment bafethu. We are really engaging because you are teaching me. I'm learning from you. Thank you very much. Siyabonga.